Jakom board mar NG-CDF Olago Aluoch koro singo ni gibiro neno ni omenda mag CDF ok owito oko kowacho ni duoko mane doho ogolo ni chungo chenro ma kamano ok noluw kendo ok oluwore gi chik. Jatelo no mane wuoyo e nyasi mar sidho kilese manyien e skund St. Mary's Kibuye ma oyangi ni okawo omenda maromo siling milion 6.7 nomedo ni piny owacho oseketo omenda maromo bilion 58 maneno ni chenro mag CDF odhi nyime kendo medo konyo od buche mantiere piny Kenya.
This project.
Good morning, everyone. I am through CDF. We are constructing and starting a new school, a new girls' secondary school, starting in January, which is nearly completed. That will be the 4th girls' secondary school. We had Kisumu Girls, which was upgraded to national. I don't know how many constituencies have received 3 projects which are CSR. Kisumu Central seem to be lucky. I think that's because of the relationship we have with the NG-CDF.
Last year, 3 High Court judges decided to give a judgment, giving CDF up to June next year to wind up operations. That judgment was not based in law. That judgment was influenced heavily by the Council of Governors. As a result of that, the National Assembly appealed. The board appealed. Attorney General appealed. The appeal has been heard, and the judgment is coming up in February next year. So I want to tell you here now, as Kenyans who have benefited from CDF, you need not worry about the fate of CDF. CDF is here to stay.